The Halloween Play by Felicia Bond. It was 3 days before Halloween, and Roger's class was giving a play in honor of the event. Every day the class practiced over and over to get everything just right. Invitations were made in school, and families from all over town were invited. The night of the performance, the auditorium was packed. Roger stood backstage. He had a small but important role. When the curtain opened, 16 mice danced onto the stage. In the light of the moon, they leaped and twirled and sang. The play was very funny, and the audience laughed when they were supposed to. Roger listened closely from behind the curtain. His part was coming up. 3 more lines. Then 2. Then 1. And Roger was on. The audience applauded wildly as the mice danced around their Halloween pumpkin. Everyone took a modest bow, and the curtain closed. Before he went to bed that night, Roger's father took a picture of him. But Roger didn't need a picture to remember. The end.